Welcome back to eufy tutorials. Your vacuum is supposed to clean your home, but what happens when it starts spreading bacteria and odors everywhere? The good news? You can fix it in 30 minutes with supplies you already have. I'm going to show you exactly why your vacuum smells, how to deep clean every part, and how to prevent it from happening again. Before we clean, understand what's causing the smell. 4 main culprits. 1. Clogged filters. Dust and debris trapped in your filter create the perfect breeding ground for bacteria. If you can't remember cleaning your filter, this is your problem. 2. Pet hair buildup. Hair wraps around the brush roller and decomposes inside your machine. If you have pets, this is a major issue. 3. Food debris. Vacuumed crumbs or cereal, food particles rot quickly inside warm spaces. That sour smell is rotting food. 4. Moisture and mold. Vacuuming wet surfaces or storing them in damp areas causes mold growth and that musty odor. Now let's fix it. You'll need dish soap, white vinegar, baking soda, a brush, and a microfiber cloth. Step 1. Clean the dustbin. Don't just dump it. Scrub with warm soapy water. Rinse completely and air dry. It must be completely dry before reinstalling, or you'll create mold. Step 2. Clean or replace the filter. If washable, soak in warm soapy water for 10 minutes. Rinse and air dry 24 hours. If damaged, replace it. Most filters need replacing every 3 to 6 months. Step 3. Deep clean the brush roller. Remove it, cut away tangled hair with scissors, wash with soapy water if detachable, and ensure it's completely dry. Step 4. Clean interior and exterior. Mix equal parts vinegar and water. Dampen your cloth. Don't spray directly, and wipe all surfaces, especially the hose and crevices. Step 5. Deodorize with baking soda. Sprinkle it in the dustbin and on the filter. Let it sit for a few hours to absorb odors. Shake out excess before reassembling. And that's how it's done. Your vacuum should smell fresh and work efficiently. Prevention is key. Here's how to keep it fresh. Clean regularly. Empty the dustbin after every use. Clean the filter and brush roller weekly. With pets, monthly without. Takes 5 minutes. Avoid wet surfaces. Moisture is your vacuum's enemy. Wipe spills first, then vacuum when dry. Choose the right vacuum. If you have pets, get one designed for pet hair with anti-tangle technology. eufy's models can save you hours of maintenance. Use fresheners sparingly. They mask odors, not solve them. If it still smells after cleaning, something is still dirty. How often should I clean deeply? Monthly for regular homes, every 2 weeks with pets. Can I use bleach? No, it damages plastic and leaves harsh fumes. Use mild soap and vinegar. Still smells after cleaning? Check the hose for stuck debris. Inspect for hidden mold. Persistent smell may need professional service. Is baking soda safe for all vacuums? Yes, but shake out excess to avoid clogging filters. A clean vacuum works better, lasts longer, and keeps your home healthier. 30 minutes now, 5 minutes weekly, and you'll never deal with vacuum odor again. If this helped, subscribe for more home maintenance tips. And tell me in the comments, how often do you clean your vacuum? See you next time!